friends. How are you all? Good? Doing well? Very nice. As you completed your first assessment, so today we are going to learn next topics, right? So upcoming topics are in that. In those topics we are going to take first, that is backward counting. Kids, you are following Maths 4, right? My skill book. So with the help of this book, we are going to take practice on it, fine, of backwards. So trace and write backwards from 10 to 0, fine. So before we are going to start this, ma'am is having one activity for you, fine. So I hope you all are ready. Kids, I am holding one tray and see, you can see this mini bucket, fine. This is in which color? Yes, tell me. Yes. Kritika, Sanvi, just tell me. Okay. So I am holding some, I am keeping it down and I am holding, I have kept in that flowers and some lemons. So just observe it. I am going to replace lemon and flower in this tray, fine. So I am going to keep this lemon in this bowl. Just you keep counting. 1, 2, 3. Now flowers turn. 3, 4. Lemons turn. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And this one is 10. Okay, fine. So total I am holding 10 objects. Okay, and it includes some are lemons and some are flowers. Fine. So kids, if I am keeping it back in the bucket, see, I am keeping it back. Okay, how many are left? 9. Very good. Again I have kept aside one lemon aside. Then 8 left. Fine. One flower, keeping aside. 7 left. Again lemon. How many are left? 6 left. 6 are left. Again I have kept out one more. So 5 are left. One more out. 4 are left. Very good. One more out. How many are left? Yes. 3 are left. Again one more out. Okay, and last one is here. So you can see I have kept all the things, all the objects out of this bowl. Fine. So I am keeping it down. So kids, this was our activity for what? Backward counting. So very easy. In Maths 4 book we are going to take backward counting from 10 to 0. So kids, always remember, go back while counting. 10, let's count on fingers. 10, show your 10 fingers. Very good. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. And 0 means nothing. Very good. So let us have our Maths 4. This is our My Skill book. Yes, I hope you have done previous activity, previous pages you have completed, right? So here I am going to fold this. You should take out page number 63. First, put the date, today's date here, CW, and today's date. Okay. So here trace and write backward. Okay. Backwards from 10 to 0. Kids, you can see on this book I am going to do the practice and you have to do this, okay, along with me. So say 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Okay. Now your task to trace these numerals. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, and 0. Got it? So just do practice on these yellow lines, given yellow boxes. Fine. So again start with the 1 0 10, 9, 8, 7, yes 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and 0. Got it? Now your task to complete this next box yellow line. Okay? Good. Now as we have done this, now your homework is here. On page number 64 you have to complete this. So 10 to 0, 10 to 0, fine. Like this way you have to do this. So this is your PH walk. So you all have to complete this. Fine. Okay, all the very best for this. Just turn out your next page, and that is page number 65. Fine. First we have done page number 63. Okay. Then ma'am has given you PH on page number 64. Got it, kids? And this was your classwork. Now next is on page number 65. We are going to do classwork. Okay? And next page will be your PH. PH, page number 66. Now let's see, kids, what is given on page number 65. So I have opened the page. Fine. Have you done it? Good. Now you should open this page. Fine. So put the date, today's date, put CW here and put today's date. Okay, kids? Now you can see trace and write backwards from 20 to 0. Yes. We have done 10 to 0. Now this is time to do 20 to 0. So let's see. Now you have to say after math. Fine. Say 20, 19. We don't have 20 fingers, but you can count verbally. Fine. We have counted 10 to 0 on our fingers. But here 20 onwards, you will need just verbal counting. Fine. So 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Again 10. After, backward, from backward 11, it will be 10. Which number will come up before 11? Yes, that is 10. See, backward counting and your before numbers are correlated. They are related to each other. Both the concepts are different, but they are correlated. Okay, related to each other. Fine. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Fine, kids. जैसे कि मैम ने आपको बताया यहाँ पे 20 to 0 हमने ऑलरेडी देखा कि 10 to 0 कैसे है, राइट? कैसे लिखना है, कैसे उसको काउंट करना है. नाउ हियर बोल्ड लेटर्स में दिया है, वो हमने पढ़ लिया है. वी हैव रिवाइज्ड इट. ओके, नाउ टाइम टू ट्रेस. फाइन. सो 2020. यस, से विद मी. 1919, 1818, 1717, 1616, 1515, 1414, 1313, 1212, 1111. Very good. So you should press and write. Again, till 11 we have done, but we have to complete this also. Fine. So 20 to 0 hai. It means what? 11 backward, 10 will be there. So 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Very good. Exactly. तो हमने ये कर दिया. Fine. So after that you can see homework page. Fine, kids. So you have to put PH, right? We have to put PH and date. So complete this as a PH. Practice at home. You should complete. Just count from 20 backward. From 20, that's 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. and 0. Fine. So kids, these two pages you have to fill up with backward counting from 20 to 0. So we have completed this today, for today itself. So kids, just complete your book Maths 4 and write in your notebook what from 20 to 0. So let us have writing on the board from 20 to 0. Kids, let's write on the board. Fine. So write it in your notebook after doing in My Skill book Maths 4. So we are going to write in your notebook. You are going to write in your notebook. I am going to write on the board. So tens and ones and kids. Fine. See kids, we have to mention tens and ones to fix their places. The place value of each and every number. You should fix tens and ones. Okay, always remember. So here, just start from 20. But before that, we have to write here backward counting 20 to 0. Okay, this will be your title. 20 to 0. So 20, 20, 20. Say with me. 2020, 1990. Yes. 1818. Yes, backward. Tell me. 1717. Very good. 1616. Very nice. You should not break these balls. So 1616. 1515. Yes, 1515. 1414. 13. 12. And 11. Very good. So say it backward. Yes, say it. Okay, start from 20, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11. Very good. So we have completed till 11. Kids, we have to start from which number? Yes, that is 10, 10. Good. Now go backward from 1010. So tell me the back of this 10 number, backward number or before number. Yes, that will be 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, yes, 3, 2 and 1. Very nice. So in this way you have to do this. Fine. Do it in your notebook. Put today's date CW and on next page put CW is PH. In this form you have to do your PH work. Practice at home. So kids, do it like this. Fine. And keep counting. Keep smiling. Take care.